Along the tropical southern shore of the Bay of Guanabara is Rio de Janeiro, capital and largest city of Brazil. Once jewel of Portugal's colonial kingdom, then for 67 years imperial capital of an independent empire, is today seat of the government of Brazil, a country the area of which is greater than the 48 United States of America.
So now that we've arrived in Rio, we gotta meet our friends Carolina and Fernão. Look who it is! What's up, dog? How you doing, man?
How are you?
How you guys doing?
The Sugarloaf is one of the finest points from which to view Rio. The summit is reached easily and comfortably by way of an alpine trolley.
We're going up Sugarloaf Mountain. Is that what it is? Pão de açúcar.
From the top of the rock, the great city is seen in its entirety.
It's pretty unique. I can't think of another city in the world that's kind of built between these like little valleys of like these tight hills and mountains. Even though it's a cloudy day, it's still kind of cool to see the mountains kind of piercing the clouds from this vantage point. I don't think I'm wearing the right footwear for this. Woo!
Cidade maravilhosa. The wonderful city.
Ugh. Yeah, my hair is out of control. Humidity is making it very hard to control, so I give up. Let's just talk about the food for a second. We've had, what, 2 meals in Brazil, or 2 meals in Rio, and they've already been better than every single meal we had in Argentina. So, there's that.
Casca de carne, uma porção de arroz, hummus com carne moída, um escondidinho de cordeiro, 2 cocas e uma guardanapos.
Meat and cheese, like simple. So good.
We're going to Engenhão Stadium, actually Newton Santos Stadium, and Botafogo is playing another team called Vasco. It's a shitty season for both teams, but you know, you still gotta support.
Alô, amigos do Premier, a partir de agora acompanhamos todas as emoções do Campeonato Brasileiro. Jogo fundamental para Vasco e para Botafogo. Grande clássico carioca para você.
So we're walking to our gate now. We got legitimate tickets this time, thanks to these 2 guys who are official club members of Botafogo. This team is losing, having a bad season. They out here. Buy someone dinner first, am I right? I love how unofficial it is. Like if these guys were in like the Rogers Center, you'd have like 5 security guards telling them to get off the rail. Hey, you can't bring your cane in. Do you have a permit for that flag? Where's your license for that hat? I guess there's a safety element too. Of course. But like, freedom sometimes comes at the price of safety. And you just gotta realize when you're ready to pay that price. Why are you a Botafogo fan?
In 95, Botafogo won the national championship, and then I just bet and I said, hey, I bet Botafogo will win.
And they won?
And then I won, bet a soda, I won a soda, and they said I'm Botafogo.
Henrique chega, tem cruzamento, Chiesa de cabeça por meio, falta marcada. cruzamento. Gol! É do Botafogo, Luiz Fernando. Cruzamento pro Maxi, dominou, bateu pro gol.
I have no skin in this game. I have no vested interest in either one of these teams, other than it's my boys' team. But like, I'm like biting my nails here, like so nervous. You can't help but get caught up in like the intensity and the tension of the game. Back and forth all game. Not a good sign when your fans start turning on you and whistling. And they're back. Very tense right now. 1-1. 3 minutes left in the game. Didn't win. Didn't lose either, but they probably should have won. Does that make you guys the worst team in the tournament now?
Okay, we did a lot.
True, true. So you're tied for the bottom? All right, train.
Central,
It's here?
Central.
Is that really?
For sure is.
That's actually really scary and crazy. Like, the worst thing that can happen to you on a Toronto subway is somebody throws up on your shoes.
Along the Beira Mar, which means seacoast in English, there are numerous bathing areas, crowded on pleasant days with Rio de Janeirians.
Been in Rio for a few days now, and today's the first really actually sunny day. So we're finally gonna get a chance to go to the beach.
Hello.
Hey!
I'm naked.
All right, cool. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah,
Oh
so
no, my mom watches this shit.
hey, if she doesn't know about how marriage works yet, then I'm afraid you probably wouldn't be here.
That's true. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that wasn't that funny, I didn't think, but cool. I'll take the laughs where I can get them.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We're walking along Copacabana beach right now and headed to Ipanema because our friend Carolina says that it's a better beach. Feels like for the first time on this trip that we're actually in Brazil. It's a sunny day, it's hot. The only thing left is some caipirinhas and get in the water. Definitely work up a bit of an appetite out there. Acai bowl. Is this what all the cool kids are eating back home?
It's really good.
So what's the acai part? The nuts?
No, the purple stuff.
I can only say no to this shrimp guy walking around so many times, so finally came around and I couldn't resist anymore. Shrimp, salt, lime, hot sauce. Beach shrimp for the equivalent of what, like three, maybe $4? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Whew. That hot sauce gets you eventually. But it's good though. Looks like the clouds are rolling in again. Just in time, we got an afternoon at the beach and that might be it really for the whole trip. Hopefully not, hopefully we get more sun. But if not, that was a fantastic, fantastic afternoon. Oi, tudo bom?
Olha, amigos. Ó, deu meia hora, fiquei parado ali, não vi ninguém, tive que dar a volta. Pô, deu esse número aqui, 3,6.
I need to go get a haircut, and we no longer have our guide and friend Carolina with us, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to ask for a haircut and how to not butcher it in Portuguese. So we'll see how that goes.
Aquele barba ou só cabelo?
Cabelo Carlos?
Não, só o cabelo, barba não?
Sim, barba tem dois. Media água.
Que é essa?
Não sei. Vou para Canadá, é muito frio.
Novo.
Muito obrigado.
Bom dia, tudo bom?
Bom dia, amigão. Tudo bem? Beleza?
Sim. Hotel Miramar.
Before I came to Rio, I didn't know really what to expect of the people or what to expect of the city or even of this country, you know. I had a lot of Brazilian friends back home in Toronto that I grew up with, but really, I didn't really know much about the country itself. What bothers me a lot about the situations in places like Brazil, where you have these kind of military, pseudo-dictators rising to power with an overwhelming mandate, is that you are manipulating the people who really make this country great. I'm sick of the political manipulation of good people. I'm sick of the economic repression of people who have so much more to offer the world than they even know. And the reason they don't know is because it does not serve the political agenda. When you see good people not being given the opportunity to move up, not being able to determine their own future, that bugs me, because it sucks. And if Brazilians knew the incredible amount of wealth that they have both in resources, culture, and people, maybe there wouldn't be, ghetto safaris to the favelas at the hotel. And instead, we would be talking about how amazing and how rich this culture is.
Since the first permanent settlement in 1558, the shores of the Bay of Guanabara have slowly been changed from forest and jungle to become one of the great capitals of the world and one of the most beautiful cities of all time.